How to set spending limits on your Wise card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want more control over your spending, well, in this video I'll show you exactly how to set spending and ATM withdrawals limit on your Wise card. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can just tap on the cards tab at the bottom of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the card section, simply tap on your active voice card and then select the limits. And this is where you can view or edit your spending caps. So here you can choose between spending limits or ATM withdrawal limits and adjust the daily or monthly amount to suit your needs. And here, once you're done with that, you can just tap save and you are done. Your new limits are applied instantly once you do that. And if you are using Wise Business, you can even set limits for individual team members from your dashboard. And that's it. That's how you can take full control of your Wise card spending. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.